Hello everyone. Hope everybody is doing well. Today I have come to talk to you about something very important and something that most of us don't pay attention to. It is the way you write your own name. It is your signature. Your signature is very important because firstly it is your own name which has been given to you to identify you, or it is something very unique to you. It defines you as a separate entity. So, if you yourself don't write your own name with respect, with precision, with patience, how can you expect someone else to do that? So, make sure that you hear these do's and don'ts that most of us do. Your signature is extremely important because it can predict the quality of life that you will live, and also it invites a lot of good luck or bad luck. So make sure you keep these tips in your mind next time you write your own name or next time you sign. I have often seen that people start their name with their first letter like this, and then they carry on with the rest of their name. Now, here in the first letter of this name, the arrow is literally going across the alphabet. This arrow will signify that you will have a lot of backstabbing. You will meet a lot of disappointments, a lot of heartbreaks in your life. So please do not do that. Do not go across the entire alphabet. You should only have the line till here. That's it. The line that joins both the lines of the A. That's it. You should not go across. That will only invite disappointments and heartbreaks to your life. So please do not do that. The next thing I have often seen, people start underlining their name twice. Like they have written their name and they will underline it twice. Now, why are you underlining your name twice? Now, when you underline your name twice, what happens is it means you're emphasizing on yourself. It means that whatever achievements you will have will only be through severe hard work done by you. So, it is not harmful to do hard work, but going crazy over hard work is extremely taxing. So, I suggest always, whenever you want to underline your own name, please make sure you put only one line just to support it. So whatever hard work you're doing, you're just having some support. That's it. You're not doing it all by yourself. Then the next common mistake is that when you are underlining your name, people put one dot in the bottom line. Now, when you do that and there's only one dot, that often signifies that you will be lonely in life. So if you want to put a dot beneath your signature, put two dots. This will identify, or this will suggest that you will have companionship and you will have support. The next thing is, whenever you write your name, like if I write my name here and I put a full stop here, what happens is, if I'm putting a full stop just after my name, that means that I will stop from growing. I'm putting a full stop to my own success. You don't want to do that. So don't put a full stop after your own name. And make sure that the last letter of your signature, here it is an A. So if you go like this, this arrow should go upwards. It should go 45 degrees up because you want to take a flight in life. You don't want to come down crashing, right? You want to see only growth and success in your life. You don't want to have a doomsday and just, fall down. You don't want to do that. The other common mistake that I have often observed is people circle around their first names. If you circle around your first name or you design your first letter like that, that often suggests that you will have a very complicated life or very convoluted life. It will not be a smooth or a, straight sailing life. No, it will be very complicated. And also, you will have a tendency to go back. So, means you will always refer back to your past. You don't want to do that because you always want to move forward in life. You always want to grow in life. So please do not start designing or start making circles around your name, your signature. That is really not lucky. The other thing I have often observed is people just sign off like waves. Now, do you want your life to be like the waves, up and down, up and down, up and down? No. So give some respect to your own name. When you're writing your name, write it properly, write it simply so that anybody who sees it can read every little letter of your name. The other thing is, if your name consists of Y, G, J, letters like that, act like this. So, I've often seen people either don't close that bag, they just write J like this, like that. They leave this bag open. Now, these small bags that are formed when you are writing alphabets are known as money bags. So, if you leave these bags open, that means you're going to financially be very drained out. You're going to lose a lot of money. You're never going to be able to save that money. So always when you're writing Y, J, G or any, even an A, please connect all the sides of your alphabet and complete the alphabet properly and then write it. Don't leave it opening. Okay? Because that will only promote, losing out of financial gains. You will only lose money. You will only drain money. And the next thing you should be very careful of is that you start your first name with a capital letter. You write the rest of the letters smaller. So they should be ideally half of the first letter, which is in capital, and leave a little bit of space and then write your surname or your last name. And the first letter of even your surname should be a capital, but the rest of the letters should be small. You should have proper spacing. They should not be too far, but they should not be too close. And try not to have any cuts in your name. So if you're writing, suppose your first name like this, don't write your surname cutting off your first name. That's not going to be nice. It's not going to promote any sort of growth. It's going to mean that you yourself or your family yourself, because your family name will be over your first name, it will mean that people in your family will backstab you. Please do not do that. Please make sure you keep these tips, these simple, do's and don'ts in mind next time you write your name, and you will see so much of positive change in your lifestyle, in yourself, that it is going to surprise you and it is going to be remarkable. You have to remember that if you yourself do not give respect to your own name and your own entity, you cannot expect people to do that for you. Please apply these tips in your signature, and please stay tuned for more such tips and remedies. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Swasti. Thank you.